Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a NeuroNation app. You click on settings. In this page you go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NeuroNation and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.